Hi, this is RJ Zoriaga Castor. We're currently here at San Juan, Siquijor. Isa sa mga sentro ng beach activities dito sa Siquijor and one of the areas for hotel accommodations. Isa tayo sa mga stranded passengers or tourists here in San Juan, Siquijor after the Coast Guard canceled all sea trips from yesterday. Currently, malakas yung hangin na mararamdaman dito sa Siquijor. If you can see, there are strong waves and even coconut trees can show that. And also, the cars are already feel the strong winds. As of now, wala na rin kuryente dito sa bayan ng San Juan, Siquijor. Last night, the local government of San Juan already urged residents in the coastal town to have a preemptive evacuation. Up until now, wala pang abiso ang Coast Guard kung kailan babalik ang sea trip. So merong uncertainty for all stranded passengers kung kailan sila makakabalik going to Dumaguete or wherever they are.